Hi everyone, I want to welcome you all, especially to today's weekly live trade with me. Before we go into the discussions, I love that you begin to share this video. Okay, let everyone whom you know may be interested in this live streaming know that we're live already, so you can probably like the video, share the video, okay, whether on YouTube, whether on Facebook. Just keep sharing the videos, share the links, send out the links, let everyone keep coming in, to join this session. All right, so please start coming in. Start coming in. How was your weekend? I hope you had a great preparation weekend for a great week. I always tell you before you start a new week, you must, back test your strategy. You must study, you must make researches, you must review what you're doing, ensure that what you're doing is right, okay, and then approach the new week with the winning mentality in win. So let me check the feedback audio just to be sure that we have a clear audio coming from the audio session. Okay, so that's good. So the audio is excellent. So have you started sharing out the link? Please share the link, share the link, share the link, share the link. Tell someone to tell someone to tell someone that we're live. We're live and we are gonna be having a great time trading live today. Trading live today. How many of you have been enjoying the beautiful experience with the December trading session? For me, unlike the last December for last year, it's been a wonderful December this year. Okay, imagine getting entries, finding beautiful opportunities in the market despite the closing of the year. It's such an amazing experience to talk about. So quickly, I want to share out the links out, okay, to everyone who's supposed to be connected. So you right away where you are, keep sharing out the link. Tell as many as you can tell that we're live. We're live, we're live, we're live, we're live. And it's going to be a great trading session today. Okay? Keep sharing the links, keep sharing the links, keep sharing the links. Share the links. Tell everyone that we're live. Tell everyone that we're live. Share the links, share the links, share the links. Share the links. I promise you, you will love today's trading session as I'll be, talking to you about a lot, which I think you will love to hear today. Share the link, share the link, share the link. And when you come in, please let me know where you're watching from. Let me know your expectations for this trading session. Drop it in the comment section. What country are you watching from? What city? What town? What area are you? Has been your trading? One thing you must do as a smart trader, try as much as possible to do an overview of your trading results or experience in 2024. Something that would help you to be able to make a lot of adjustments if need be, and a lot of improvements. Okay, you should be able to know if it was a profitable year. That's why I love some brokers that are able to give you a historical reports of what you did, in the course of the year. So make sure you check on that. Okay, so look at what you did, then look at what you did wrong, what you should have done, and make necessary adjustments that are necessary adjustments. So I say, let me know where you're watching from, what country, what city, what town, where are you watching from. So a good number of the contacts, my contact, has gotten the link. So that means we can actually proceed with what we have to discuss today. Okay, so let's proceed. Yeah. All right. So going into the charts, uh, if you caught the entries that we posted so far for this week, congratulations. So if you observed, if you haven't seen the weekly analysis, then you are doing the wrong thing. Okay, because I took out time to explain to you a few things about my market perception, the directional bias, my decisions, and how I'll be trading the week. I took out time to talk to you on um, how I will be trading the week. Okay, so if you haven't seen the weekly analysis, I want to encourage you, make sure you see it. So much to learn, so much to learn. I told you it's always wise. It's always wise that you see the weekly analysis before the starting up of the week. Okay, because it will help guide, mold your ideology. So this is it, right? Yeah, this is it. Weekly analysis 14 hours ago. Then weekly review. That's a review of the previous week. So make sure you see it before you um, excuse me, before you begin to make decisions in the market, because it will guide you through a lot. All right, so I spoke to you on DXY. I think I just at the opening of the week, DXY was just around this area, and we just watched it consolidate. And I told you, if once DXY continues bullish, I'm going to find a bearish move on GU and EU. So, but the only pair that gave me my correct confirmation was EU, because EU was already on a bearish liquidity side. All I needed was to get my break of structure, my change of character, and then go in from my POI. Okay, so that's why He was just so direct and precise, and I think I saw a few posts on the group as to the result of that particular entry. And I want to say congratulations to all who caught that entry. So it was massive for us. In fact, EU has been very, very um, profitable. Last week we made so much money from EU, and we're in a new week, and the expectations are also high. And we strongly believe that EU will give us good results. Now, what can you take out of this particular experience? What you take out is, make sure you are trading your strategy. Make sure you are sticking to your strategy. Make sure you are sticking to your plan. Make sure you are trading your setups. Don't trade what is not your setup. It's like what GU is doing currently. If you look, you see that GU consolidated. Okay, and so for some people began to buy. Okay, and look at what must have happened. They've been induced, and massive sell, kept going, of which it's coming to this liquidity point. I could have sold, but you see, I can't be selling on a bullish liquidity for my setups or for my strategy. I have to stick to my laws, my rules, strategy. Okay. Otherwise, I'll be breaking rules, and there's consequences to breaking rules. So each time you want to break rules in trading, you must be ready to face the consequences of breaking such rules. So instead of breaking rules when you know that you're not in for the consequences, then it is better that you stick to your plan. Now, to be profitable psychologically, it is always best that you stick to the plan. You trade your plan, you trade your setup, you stick to the rules. Because if you, for any reason, go outside the rules, it becomes difficult. If you go outside your setup, your strategy, it becomes hard, it becomes difficult to be profitable. In fact, I dare say to you that you will never be profitable. Yeah, you may make profit for a period of time, but you will not consistently maintain such profitability. Profitability is about consistency. It's not about what you made on Monday and you didn't make on Friday. It's about what you made over time. So, can you say you're profitable in 12 months, in 24 months, in um, 48 months? Is that what you can say? Otherwise, you are not profitable if you cannot find a consistency in it. So you see that G is going bearish, of which I could have gone bearish, okay? Because if you look, you find that DXY gave a complete bullish move, and the bullish move continued, but it's on my bearish liquidity side, and I was expecting that um, I will not go in based on my rules and strategy, except this liquidity is taken out or it gives me the bearish move. So I was finding my bullish on GU, haven't exited EU. And someone says, oh, but we would have continued selling EU. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't. You will never be profitable like that. You stick to the rules. If the rule says that this is your take profits, you stick to it. Okay? You stick to it. And that's the reason, that's the only reason why you find that you're hitting take profit consistently. And for the few stop losses that you may hit, you will still be profitable. But when you begin to tell yourselves, oh, I gave TP at so level, and price came past that level and kept moving, I should have gone with price. No, do not chase price. Okay, do not chase price. That's not how to be a professional. That's not how to trade. That's not how to be profit. You will never be profitable that way. I said to you directly, you will never. A lot of people have followed that direction, and I'm sure they have so much to regret because they have been listed as most blowers. Okay, they've blown several accounts and they're still blowing. Okay, and they're still going to blow many more. Okay, but they don't know Now the reason is simple, because they chase candles. Don't chase candles, don't chase price. Let price come to you. Okay, that's the safest way to trade. Let price come to you. Let it come in your setup. Then use your edge, to trade within your niche and make the huge money for yourself. So currently, find that EU is almost taking out this particular bullish liquidity. Once that is done, I'm going to find EU coming to this bullish liquidity, and I'm going to find my bullish move. Only if, excuse me, only when DXY has completed this bullish move. Of course, if you look closely, you see that DXY is coming up to this bearish liquidity, and once it gets here, it's going to definitely give me my bullish move down to this point, of which that will automatically give me the confirmation of going uh, bearish with EU and GU. If you look closely, you find that GU has gotten to the bullish liquidity on this side. It may take out this to this other side, but we're going to go massive. We're going to go long on the buy because it's coming. So get ready, get ready, get ready. If you haven't funded your account, then go fund your account. If you haven't gotten ready, go get ready. We went already with EU, and though EU is still going to give us another entry. Now please don't over trade. Don't over trade. I have multiple accounts, and when I trade certain accounts with first entry, I do not repeat those accounts with more entries, because that will be over trading. Okay, over trading is one other aspect that you must pay close attention to as a professional trader. So if there's another entry, there must be another account that can be used to trade the second entry. So take note of that. Don't think because I'm posting another entry on EU, I'm using that same account that already made massive profits in the morning as that's during the London session to trade again. No, that's not what I do. That is called over trading. That's part of also the reasons why some of you are not yet profitable and may never be profitable when you go that way. So this clearly shows you exactly what's going on with DXY, EU, GU. Okay, these are major pairs, and we were trading GU one time for several years until we mastered it perfectly, and we are kinging it. Okay, looking at purchasing an automobile, okay, and naming that automobile GU, because GU has been wonderful. It's been paying consistently, and I just want to just promote GU. And then EU followed. Okay, we first started with GU, and when we found that we were winning GU, we studied the character of EU. We saw that they both were like twin, and began to trade EU, and EU is so beautiful since then. um and the same thing goes with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum act just like GU and AU, haven't studied their character very well. Now, I should have said talking to you on the crypto, but I want to finish with the Forex. Let's go into gold. Now, gold, if you notice, this entry was posted just last week, and I said I was going to be waiting for gold to get up to the up liquidity side before I then decide what I was going to be doing with gold. And lo and behold, it didn't get there. It got very close, but it still didn't get to the take profit before it began to go bearish. Okay, it's gone bearish this far. Of course, it's taking out several break of structures, market structure shifts, and it's currently here. But my setup is my plan. My setup is what I trade. Now, and where gold is currently is not within my setup. Okay, so I will not be posting another entry until gold either gets here. Of course, it's taking out this already, so this is invalid right now. Is either gold is here or is here. That's when I can tell you what I will be trading gold. But so far, we've been winning gold. We win gold so good. We win just as we win EUGU so good, and it's been beautiful. The only thing you must pay close attention to is that gold is very volatile. Gold is very volatile. And so, because it is very volatile, it is not advisable that you trade gold with funds that you cannot afford to lose. Number one. Number two, it's not advisable to trade gold with little capital. Okay, you must be able to use sufficient capital of which you can be able to leverage on. Okay, of course, you should know that trading draws down before it begins to go probably in your direction. Look at this entry. So this was the entry point, and for one reason, gold drew down, though it didn't get to the stop loss before it began to go up. As for many people who came into this gold's entry with no sufficient equity to carry the drawdown, they were all removed, eliminated, taken out for the massive bullish move, of which if they were not induced, if they didn't get this drawdown here, they probably would have been in beautiful profits. Okay, but that's how the trading system is. You must make available enough equity for the drawdown so that when price begins to draw down, your equity will be able to sustain your entry before you move in your direction. Don't ever think that you're going to get into an entry and price will just start moving in your favor. Now that happens a lot of time. That happens. I'm not saying it doesn't happen, but just know that closely, you find that EU once the when the EU entry was posted, it just went straight to the profits. Okay, there was no drawdown. So you can see that there are times when it draws down, there are times when it just goes directly to the target take profit and plays out as predicted. Okay, so quickly, let's look at a few other pairs. We have Australian US dollar. I already told you that what we trade here is rejection blocks. We trade rejection blocks, of which some of you might call it weak, some of you may call it weak. Now this is it. This is what we trade, and price is almost going there. Okay, so let's take out the ones we already done with. Okay, let's just use the lines again. So this is what we trade on Australian US dollar. So we take this, the end of the week. Okay, then we take the beginning of the week. Okay, so the end of the week, which happens to be okay, because it's going down, so it's support. So they are both support level. Okay, so this is the first support level, this is second support level. But if you now look at it from this side, on the towards the upside, it becomes a resistance, because upside is resistance, downside is support. Okay, so now the stop loss will just be a little bit like maybe 20 pips just away from the entry point. So that's usually what we trade. So this is the entry for that particular. So we have an entry for Australian US dollar. For those of you willing to trade it, so you can go in full margin, like they will say. Now, I'm joking. Please don't risk more than you should. Okay, I was joking when I said full margin. So this should be the entry. So of course, I already told you for this particular strategy. So this is a different strategy from normal strategy. So for this particular strategy, you trade what? You trade stop, sell stop. Okay, so your stop loss should be just around this point. Your entry point should be just around here, and then your take profit should be just around here. Okay, so this is the entry for Australian US dollar. So yeah, this is an expo already, because this is supposed to be for the VIP channel. Okay, but I already gave it out in this live session, so it's already an expo. So you are not on the VIP channel, but you happen to get this entry now. Congratulations, just go in. Okay, so like I said, it's a sell stop. Okay, so we have 62363. That's the price we're entering with. Sell stop 62363. So we go 62363. All right. So that's the selling price. Okay, and then the stop loss will just be 62509. 62509. Then the take profit should just be 62181. 62181. What do I say to this guy now? Am I consummate traders? All right, I think that's okay for him. So the entry is there, Australian US dollar. For those of you who want to go in, now there are going to be two entries there because I can find 2 weeks. Okay, so the weeks are the rejection, so that's why they are called rejection blocks. Called rejection block. Now for these ones, you cannot see them on. If you observe, you can't see them on a lower time frame. You only find them on a higher time frame because that's the nature of these particular weeks that we are training. Okay, so I'm with my phone because I want to take that entry. So it's AU, right? Australian US dollar. Australian US dollar. I feel sorry for those who made profits, good profits on um on EU, trying to take this entry with same account and same equity. It is called over trading. You shouldn't be doing that. Okay, so avoid that. Don't do that. Okay, so this particular entry is only for those who probably haven't taken any trade. Then if you must take it again, if you've made profit before, make sure you do it on a different account. Avoid over trading. It's a bad psychology, and it's not advisable to do that as a trader. Okay, it's part of the um, attributes of a professional trader. Take note of that, please. So I've taken those entries already. So I'm going to be putting my take profit. Yeah, just go ahead and take the entry if you were supposed to take the entry. So I want to put my take profit, my TP. Okay, and also the stop loss. TP. Okay, so this is a beautiful entry, so sharp. Now let's look at the second one. I told you that there's going to be another one. It's going to be another one. Let me put the TP for this particular one I traded to. If I go there. So because of that, this particular entry will long eventually, but don't chase it. Just take this little one and then take the other one if possible. Take them separately. It's wiser and better like that. But this is what I saw, which is why I said they're going to be two. Okay, so once we take profit on this, there's going to be another week here. You can see it starts here and ends here. but we're not yet sure if that will play out just after here. So that's why we have to take this profit first until when we see a directional bias that will play. That's when we can now begin to consider that. So that is for Australian US dollars. Let's move straight to the next pair. Okay, so we have Nasdaq. Still observing Nasdaq, of which okay, it's taking out break of structure, change of character, has gone massively. So we're going to enter Nasdaq from here. Going off from here, and just target to the equilibrium part of this. Don't go too far. So this will be the Nasdaq entry. So this is another expo again for those of you who are not on the VIP, because Nasdaq is also for the VIP channel. So let's go quickly. So we have Nasdaq. All right. So quickly, let's look at the next one. Let's look at the next one. US 30. Okay, so it's playing out exactly what Nasdaq is doing. It's playing out. So we're gonna short it from here. Short it from here to the next liquidity point. So we're coming in from here. And we're going to the next liquidity point, which is just this point. Okay, so stop loss just around here. Okay. So I'm going to be adding another Forex. Okay, this might not be a Forex pair. US 100. US 100. So I'll do the analysis, and I'm going to add that. Okay, just to help us have more than enough to trade. Okay, so maybe we should do that together. US 100. So how do we trade it? It's simple. You can see it's just behaving almost same character with the other one, of which you can actually short from here. But let's just do the liquidity line first, of which if you look closely, you see that it played out just as US 30 played. So this was the liquidity that held the upside trend, and it broke out already up to this point, and price is currently retracing. So this will be the equilibrium. This will be the equilibrium as to the large, huge fair value gap, which is the imbalance that I'm saying. And then when you go down to the entry time frame, which is the 2 hour time frame, you can now be able to support entry, of which if you're going to be going with that, then you can go in from here and going from here, and you just target up to that consequence encroachment. So this can be a good entry for US 100. Okay, so let me just post that. Beautiful expos has been coming to those of us on the free channel. So this is US 100. So haven't seen US 100. Let's go straight to the next one. We have US oil. So US oil, US oil, US oil. So okay, US oil is looking bullish also. So all we just need to do now is we're going to find this entry from here. Okay, so we're going to go bullish from here. Stop loss will just be just around this point, and then we're going to go to the next liquidity side. Just target this point. Okay, so this is US oil. All of these All of these were not giving entries throughout last week and last 2 weeks. So seeing that they're giving entries now is just so beautiful. Okay, so that's US oil. So let's go straight to, okay, so we have GJ, one there. So this is GJ. It's currently resting on this liquidity side. So we're going bullish on GJ. We're going to go from here to the next liquidity side, which is just here. The stop loss will be very tight because this is a good entry, something like this. Okay, so GJ is for all in the free channel and those in the VIP channel. So I'm going to be posting it for free channel and VIP channel. So as many that's we're interested in going with our entry, can just go in immediately. Okay. All right. So we go straight to EJ. EJ. Let's say Euro USD. Sorry, I say Euro USD. It's supposed to be EJ. That's Euro JPY. Sorry, Euro GBP. Sorry. So Euro GBP. Okay. No directional bias currently. Apart from it was this. It was this. It looks like it's ranging. Let's just go to the 4 hour time frame and let's spot. Okay, so this liquidity side was taken out, and I'm seeing this one. Okay, so let's see what it has done on that liquidity side. So it's taking this. So let's wait for it. Okay, it's done this. Okay, so okay, we can go bearish. Can go bearish. We can go bearish. So amazingly, all of these are just giving us entries today. Can go bearish. Okay, let's just go sharply down to this point. Okay, so that's EG. EG. All of these are for the VIP. So those of you getting this, congratulations. You're seeing all the directional bias for all the entries. Then the next one here is I think UJ. UJ. Okay, so UJ is on that liquidity side. Let's see. Okay, though it didn't touch, but I see a bullish entry for UJ, and it's just to go in from here. Okay, so you can buy immediately, you can execute, but it's a short. It's a short. So as you buy, the stop loss will just be just around here. It's just be around here. Your take profit should just be on the next liquidity side. Yeah. So you can see that it's a short. It's a short. So this is UJ. Oh, UJ has been very friendly. You can see all the previous entries. Okay, so the history with UJ has been been beautiful. So we have UJ. And let's go to the next one. And the next one is EJ. Okay, so EJ's entry has been posted already, still moving. Okay, so let's just watch it play out. Okay, it's supposed to come here. Yeah, it's supposed to come here, which is the next closest liquidity. So that's for EJ. I think that will be the last forex pair that we trade. Yeah, that's the last forex pair that we trade. So we're done with forex and crypto. And quickly, let's go into the synthetics. So we've done 40 minutes already. So that means we have been accurate with our time. Why in the synthetics? Okay, so I posted already 2 entries for the synthetics, of which I posted jump 50. Okay, now you can see what I mean when I say that when you are going into any entry, any trade, make sure the equity you are using to trade avails you the opportunity to draw down at least to a reasonable extent before price begins to move in your direction. You can see that jump 50 acted like you want to induce all the buyers, the bulls, and suddenly he didn't get to the stop loss and it began to move in a direction, and it's definitely going to a long ride. I told you it's a long ride. It's going to take profit, and as many of you that will be able to manage that trade, of course, you can't just be targeting a long ride without breaking even, and securing your profits. So the same thing also goes to jump 100. You can see it also did the same thing. It moved, right? And everyone who got in were so excited. Oh, we're going all in. And I'm sure some even closed up their stop loss. So what it did, it came out, it took out all the stop losses, gathered more liquidity. See, anytime you see that price is retesting a particular entry point or inducing or deepening, okay, or drawing down, is because the market is driven by liquidity. So what it simply means is that the market hasn't sufficiently grabbed liquidity. So for it to go in that direction, it's probably trying to get the liquidity before moving. I'm a liquidity trader. I spot the liquidity, I move with the liquidity. That's what I do always. So when you find that there is a liquidity post that's been posted like this, and you see that price is coming, it's because it needs to grab more liquidity before it moves. So right now, as I told you, it's coming here. Okay, so all you need to do is to manage that properly. So that's for jump 100. So let's start from the beginning. So volatility 25. Of course, this is for the VIP and the free channel. So it's taking out all this liquidity and it's tested this liquidity of this upside. So jump 25 is going bearish. So we're going to take out all of this. Okay, take out all of this and then go bearish. Yeah, sell jump 25 from here, and this is a long. Of course, you must have seen that the next bullish liquidity is here. So this is your stop loss should be just a little bit above the previous high of this point. So go all out for this. So of course, jump volatility 25 is for all those on the VIP channel and all those on the free channel. So I'm posting out that, so as many people that want to catch that. I'm so amazed how we are getting so much entry on a Monday. So you can see that your setups may not give you entry in a particular week, but as long as you stick to it, there's going to be a time when it's like a cycle. So it goes all around and it comes in your setup, and then you now get so many numerous entries. With all these many entries, how are you not going to make money in this week? Tell me. But as of last week, we're not getting entries, and I was wondering if it was because it was December. But now you can see beautiful entries. So let's look at volatility 50. So it took out this liquidity. Okay, so we can't no directional bias yet. So we're going to wait for price to get back into this liquidity side, of which okay. I think it's taken out this. But let's just wait. Let's see what will happen when price gets to that liquidity. So let's go straight to the next one, which is volatility 75. Volatility 75. Okay, perfect entry. And this is one that I love so much. Volatility 75. I love it so much because it goes just as predicted. So, but now let me find the upside liquidity because that will be our take profit. Let me find the upside liquidity. So it's currently bullish, so you can buy. Okay, there is a liquidity here. So, but it's on a trend. I don't see it holding the price, but you could use it as your TP1 in case if you want to break even. It's on a trend, so it may not hold the price because price may want to balance back the trend that has been done in the past. So let's see. So because of that, that could be TP1 or okay. Now this is the TP2. Is another liquidity on the upside. So what I'm going to do with this is let's go back to our entry time frame. I will not advise you to go in, just execute. No, don't go in executing because this liquidity will hold price. So there's going to be a retest. Okay. So now what you're going to do is find out the POI, of which the POI will be just around this point. So this should be your entry point. This should be your entry point. After price had retested, then you can go in. Or you could wait for price to retest and you do market execution. So this should be your take profits. Volatility 75. Volatility 75 is a very friendly synthetic to trade. It's always very clear in its directional bias. And when it goes in a trend, it's usually very far. Okay. So this is what we can catch for volatility 75. Now that's for only those in the VIP channel. So for those in the free channel watching me live now, congratulations, you've been able to catch that. So this is why you shouldn't miss our live sessions because it will help you to see a lot of things going on in the community, even though you're not in the VIP community. All right, so volatility 100 is currently on this liquidity side. Okay, so these ones have been taken out. So you can go bullish on volatility 100 from here. You can even do market execution, and your target should be yeah, just around here. Let me see if I can find any upside liquidity. You can find one. It's a bit far, so it may just be a long. I can find this one. Let me see if there's another one. Okay, so go long for volatility 100, and this should be your take profits. I hope you get that. Wow, so many numerous entries today. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. Make money, brother. Make money, sister. It's a beautiful week. Okay? Don't just wallow out there and complain like all those complain about the government and the happenings in your nation or country. Get busy, get doing something, and make money for yourself. When you have so much money, you don't depend on any government. So get ready to trade that. Okay, so for boom 500. So this has been taken out. All of these liquidities have been taken out. Even this. So boom 500 is looking like it's going to retrace bullish. So I'm going to wait for that. So there's no entry for now. Let's look at crash 500. Okay, so for those of you that were with me during weekly analysis, I told you when crash gets here, we're going to be going bearish, and it's already moved already. So I'm sorry I didn't see that. My hands are so full. Sorry I didn't see that. So I'm going to look out for another one for you. So you can see it went bearish and it went massively bearish. It's taking out this. It's coming here. So it's supposed to be like this. If we had caught that, so it broke structure, change character. So the entry should have been from here. So it's supposed to just come down to this take profit. So let's wait for it to get to take profit, and then we're going to reanalyze and get another entry. So in rounding up now, so I've given you jump 150. So let me give you jump 25. and jump 75. So jump 25 is for the free channel and the VIP channel. So it's going bullish currently, but I have a bearish liquidity indicating that it may retrace there. So if it gives a confirmation there, then it might go bearish a little bit, which is counter trading up to this point. But until then, there is no entry for jump 25. For jump, I've already done jump 50, so jump 75. Okay, so jump 75 already moved. I already told you that. I think during the weekly analysis, it already moved massively. Okay, so but you didn't get to the bullish liquidity side. It's retracing currently. It needs to be reanalyzed. I'm going to post a new entry on that for you to see. Okay, so that's all basically for the forex and the crypto and the synthetics. Okay, let me know what you think about all of these which I have exposed to you today, showing you a lot of secrets. Okay, I've been guiding you, and I'm sure everyone joining this live must have received so much value, and that would help you to be able to succeed in your forex and crypto trading career. Okay, let me know what you think. Go to the comment section and just drop a comment there. Let me know what you think. Okay, then if you have questions, just go to the comment section. Then if there's something, a topic you would like me to discuss, just go to the comment section, drop it there, and I'll respond to that immediately. Okay. Then in roundup, I just want to let you know that the KFC trading graduation, like I told you, will be holding on the 8th of January 2025. We're going to be having the final session of our courses that have been on. Okay, so there are certain people, students, mentees who have been enrolled on the KFC Trading Academy, and these ones were trained to become professional traders. So we've had the first month, second month, third month, of which we had 7 months, okay, of tutelage. So they can have extra 4 months of practices, of which a lot of them has had already, and of which I trust that after 12 months, which is a year, they can graduate efficiently. So that's why we're going to be having the first graduation on the 8th of January. So, but we'll be having the final session for the course. That's the KFC Trading Academy course, which will hold from the 1st January to 7th January for just 7 days. And that will now take us into the graduation. So it will be the first virtual, it's going to be virtual. Okay. We're working around for our physical centers, of which once we're able to get in concrete, we're going to let you all know. Few physical centers. We're going to have one in Lagos, we're going to have one in Abuja, and we'll look at other countries as well. So, but until then, everything is online now, everything is virtual. So make sure you are a part of the KFC Trading first virtual graduation ceremony and party. So in that ceremony, we're going to have award sessions. We're going to be awarding our best students, fastest growing students, okay, and all the various categories of awards. You're going to be getting to know more on that as we proceed and progress in what we are doing. I just thought to bring it to your notice, but make sure you don't miss it. Okay, invite your friends, invite your family, let them know what's happening. Now, I don't know how many of you must have observed or realized that the future is trading. The future is trading, and if you've observed that, you will notice that not too many people understand the future of trading. Okay, see, I remember approaching a few friends who were traders. Please teach me. And this one will say, I'm not available. This one will say, oh, I don't think you can understand. So we had to go in the hard way. We had to learn by ourselves, made researches, read, made errors, corrected ourselves until we got it right. And that was a little bit more difficult. So you see, because I've seen that There's need to know this because we have entered a digital era. In 2025, everything is going to be digital. No more analog. Everything is going digital. And because everything is going to be digital, money will be digital. And digital money is Forex and crypto. Okay. So I thought, okay, fine, the world needs this. And I came up with this platform, the KFC trading platform. And it's right there on your screen. So what do you need to know about this? All you need to know about this is on this platform, you can learn as we have the home. Okay, this is just going to give you a brief. Okay, this is the graduation. I already spoke to you about that. Just going to give you a brief of everything going on. And then okay, for those who want to register, you can register with this flyout. So every brief you need to know about the platform. We also have a store which you can shop from. Okay, so and this is the mentorship plan. Now, for those who say, "Oh, I don't have money, I don't want to go into the mentorship plan," just come to Markets Outlook. That can benefit you, or you go to training videos. These training videos are adequate. There are hundreds of videos that will guide you. Some of us just learn trading view all by ourselves, but these videos will teach you how to use trading view, how to trade boom 500, how to use market exchangers like Bybit for the crypto space and get succeeding in what we're doing. Okay, so the website is very complete. There are those who say, I want just in. We have a platform for you. So we have account management. So if it's a live account, we're going to manage it for you. 50-50 is a profit sharing. If it's a proper account, we're going to help you pass it. And once we've passed it, the live one will be managed and it's also going to be 50-50. But there is a fee for passing, and as you can see, it's listed here. So how do you get on board? You register and you click on pay and you make your payment. Then we have the partnership donation. So this is for those who say, I just want to be a part of what you're doing, and we're going to give you appreciation benefits of 10% per annum. So that's on AIM. Then for the Forex, like the name, foreign exchange, you can actually exchange. So you want to buy dollars or you want to sell dollars, you can do that here. That's what the Forex platform is for. And the donation is the next platform there. So we have the crypto, and the same thing also for the crypto. You can buy and sell, you can send or receive. So you're wondering, what's our crypto channel? What channel do we use? What platform do we use for our crypto in case you want to transact with us on crypto? Like some of you may say, okay, I want to send crypto coin for maybe a particular transaction or thereabouts. It's not a problem. You can use any of these platforms. So for those of you love World Nation, you can use SPs, and this is the SP wallet. For those of you on the crypto space, of course, you know USDT TRC20 is the best. So you can use this wallet. Let us know if you will need Ethereum. I will get that to you. So the website, like I said, is very sufficient. If you go to the VIP mentorship courses, you'll find that we have course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, the seventh one will be starting in January. So all of these courses, these 7 courses, are adequate enough to fix you in to your professional level in trading. There is a law that states that you cannot repeat something 7 times and forget it. Like some come into the trading space and they say, oh, I've been finding it difficult to succeed. You cannot go through these courses 7 times. So you take each of these courses per month and you're studying, if that's how you want to learn it. Some can take it, all of them at once, depending on how fast you are in assimilation and in grasping. As soon as you're able to do that, I'm guaranteeing you that you will become a professional trader. So, like I said, I thought about bringing a solution to the world, a solution that I didn't have when I was learning. And I thought, okay, fine, let me provide a solution to the world. a platform which is just a website, but as long as you are on that website, you are able to gain access to adequate materials, resources, information, and communication that can guide you and place you rightly in the forex and crypto trading space. And that's what this is about. So if you look closely, you're going to find, of course, our partners. If you want to join any of the platform 10 trades, just click on any of these logos, it takes you there. I think the mentorship plan is also a part of consideration. So the mentorship plans are very simple. We have the monthly plan, um, 3 month plan, 6 month plan, 12 months. The 12 month plan is always advisable because it helps you to be able to have access to our platform for a year. Now, depending on any of the month, any of the plans you do, these are the access you're going to have. They're stated in all the plans. But now the beautiful thing is we're running a 50% promo. That's we're slashing the price 50% because it's Christmas. And for all of you, our customers, we've sent you the coupon code already. But if you're listening to me and you would like to be part of this promo, then just send us a message through our support channel and we're going to send you the coupon code. Or check our social media platforms. It's already there. It's on the e-card. Okay. It's already there. And those of you on the channel, you see it's been posted. So that gives you access. So instead of getting the yearly mentorship plan, which is 100,000 naira, you can get it for 50,000 naira. Okay, and that promo will be ending on the 30th of December 2024. All right, so that's all I think I have to say to you today. I'm done here and I'm going to be going out soon because I have other things to attend to. I have to go trade. And I wish you well. Make sure you have a great week. Make sure you're succeeding in forex and crypto trading. Make sure you're doing well in your career, becoming a professional. Stop blowing accounts. Get it right. Get it right because that's what I'm here for you, to mentor you, to teach you, to guide you to get it right. Okay? Make sure you get it right. Then make sure you're on the channel, either the free or the VIP channel, depending on what package you're in. For that's where I'm going to be giving you updates always until the closing of the week. Look out for the weekly review, which is going to be coming up live on Friday at the close of the Forex week. Okay, that's very important for you to be able to see what happened in the course of the week and prepare yourself for a newer week. Okay, and take notes. We're going to be having this live session every Mondays, 1 p.m. GMT +1, and it's important that you don't miss it. Make sure you're part of it always. See you next time, either during the weekly review or during this live session or the weekly analysis. Have a great week. See you soon.